everybody, it's Max and Kim. Just had a 2-hour journey from the Sepulok Nature Forest Reserve where we were staying for the last few days, and now we have to take a little boat trip over the river to get to the KINABATANGAN Nature Lodge.
And it's raining in the rainforest.
Welcome to the jungle.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
So cool. Ready for
No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
All checked in.
It is so cool. We've got this awesome little chalet. It's got an aircon and a fan. So if you see my hair blowing, that's the fan. It's so nice and cool in here. We were advised to keep our shoes inside because there are macaque monkeys, I think that's what they're called. They like to steal everything, including your shoes.
We've actually got a really spacious area. The whole thing is actually on stilts, so the paths to come here are about 1 meter off the ground. We've got a nice spacious room, nice bathroom, toilet, shower, the works. It even comes with hot water.
They also said not to drink the water from the tap, not that we would anyway, but they get it straight from the river.
So we're showering in river water.
Nice. I'm gonna turn into a crocodile.
The price to stay in one of the chalets with your own private room, private bathroom was 600 ringgit per person for the 3 days and 2 nights, and that included pick up and drop off from Sandakan where we were staying.
So over the next 3 days and 2 nights that we're here, we're getting up early, staying out late, doing a whole lot of river cruises and a couple of jungle treks as well. So this is what it looks like.
First sighting of the Proboscis monkey.
Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
We've just finished our first river cruise. It's about 2 hours long. You just slowly kind of make your way up the river, just looking for animals the whole time, and it only took us about 15 minutes to get back, so we had a lot of time to observe and just see all the wildlife.
We saw about 50 proboscis monkeys.
Unfortunately, the monkeys were really close. They were the closest trees to the boat, but they're just up quite high, so they're still quite hard to fully see the great nose.
Current time 6 PM, dinner is at 7 PM, and then we're going on a night trek at 8:15. Welcome to the jungle. You eat it first. G'day guys, Max the leech hunter here. Got a prime specimen of a medium sun leech. You can see it actually follows, searching for your hand to latch on. So this end here that's attached to the leaf is the sucking part. The other end is also sticky as well. You do not want to get this attached to you.
Don't let it get you though. So what'd you just do, Max?
Just tried to touch the leaf and it jumped on me. They're really hard to get off.
Did it bite you?
It tried to, but you pull it off sideways, so it didn't actually get my blood.
Was it hard to pull off?
Yeah, I had to try a couple of times. Last night was absolutely amazing on the night trekking. We saw a ghost monkey.
I think it's also called like the Western Tarsian monkey or something.
That's the one. We also saw some millipedes, some centipedes, a kingfisher, and then we went out on another cruise this morning. So then we get a little bit more time to chill and relax, and then we go out on our next river cruise later today. So this is the nice grass area of our place. Got some nice hammocks. And Kim in her little cocoon hammock.
This is the life.
The coolest thing about this place is they have their own gong, so whenever lunch is ready, dinner is ready, or any activity that we're going to do is about to start, they ring the gong. Lunch is ready! Check out what we have for lunch.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
Yum.
No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
All done and dusted, our time here in the jungle is over. Now we have to get back on that 5.5-hour bus back to Kota Kinabalu. So if you are ever here in Borneo, put this on your list of things that you definitely have to come and do. Here's our boat ride now. So when you do come to the KINABATANGAN River, come and see Muhammad here. He's the best guide. He'll take you to all the secret places. We made it to the bus stop here between the KINABATANGAN and Sepilok, so we just have to wait for the bus to come past now. Apparently it'll come past in 45 minutes, and then we're on our way back to KK. So this is where you catch the bus.
Hopefully.
Looks like this is the right way to catch a bus. We're so glad it turned up.
Tomorrow.
We made it to KK safely and sound. We got there about 6:30 at night, and we just remembered now that we actually forgot to close the vlog. The bus ride was super duper uncomfortable, but we made the best of it.
Excellent.
On me. We are currently in transit to our next secret destination. To find out where it is, tune in next time. If you haven't already, smack that subscribe button in the face. Other than that, stay safe. We'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye.
And not just any crocodile, crocodile dial. It was a 4.5 meter crocodile dial.
Size of that boat.
Yeah. We're a little bit jet lagged, a little bit sleepy.